Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how you can get this application here, Predictor Aviator. It's very easy guys to do. This app gives a really good predictions and exactly predictions. You don't have to worry about that. Just don't spam it guys to get banned or something. But this application is really amazing guys. As you can see it here, I have it on my iPhone. This application named Predictor Aviator. You can get a lot of predictions and it gives a really pointable um, uh, predictions guys. So first of all guys, all you have to do is follow all the steps that I'm going to teach you in this video. First of all, you can just have any browser. Now I'm going to use Safari for example guys. You have now to open any browser you have. I'm going to use Safari as I said. I'm going to do my passcode or my Face ID guys. Okay, and then type this website tricky.club like this with the /mb like this guys. After you write this website, click on go and then you'll find a website like this. So here all you have to do, you can search here for predictor and you'll find it like that. You will see two, but you should have installed this one with the red logo. This one is better because of this is the latest update and this one is already old, so use this red one guys. Okay, after you click on this red I mean this green button, you can just wait here until the download be finished. So guys, we're going to wait here after the download being finished. You might be required to complete the last step guys. Maybe it's important, maybe it's not, but if it pops up you should complete that step because that step is very important, and that's the final step before getting your Predictor Aviator app, as you can see it here. I already did that steps guys, but if you face any problem you will find a video there explaining how you can complete that last step. It's very easy guys, don't worry about it. That was the video guys. I hope you really like it and enjoy it, and that was really helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later guys.